Hello, this is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a great recipe. I'm making smoky potato salad. And before anything else, I'm going to clean and cut about 3 pounds of red potatoes. I cut them in half and then in little squares. So I'm going to have the potatoes, about 3 pounds. I also going to use 6 slices of bacon, chipotle chilies, and this comes in a can. They're very spicy, so be very careful with them. Olive oil, red wine vinegar, mayonnaise, 1 large yellow onion, and about 1 cup of diced green onions. In my largest frying pan, I'm going to fry the bacon. Once it's completely brown in one side, I turn the bacon to the other side and let it cook completely. Once it's completely brown, I remove from the pan and turn off the stove. Let the bacon cool. Then, using the grease left behind by the bacon, I'm going to mix the onions and the potatoes. Sprinkle a little salt, mix well, and then we're going to place the pan into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour until the potatoes are completely cooked. In the meantime, I'm going to mix the olive oil, the vinegar, the mayonnaise, and the chipotle chili. Mix well, and then going to add the green onions. Set it to the side until it's time to use them. I'm going to crumb the bacon now that it's cool. And set it to the side until it's time to use them and mix them with the potatoes. After 1 hour in the oven, the potatoes are completely cooked and the onions are soft. Mix it with the grease and then we add the mixture of the green onions. Also add the bacon. And this recipe is done. It's ready to be served with whatever main dish you're serving for the day. Buen provecho. I hope you like this video. Remember, the ingredients and description of the steps to take are in the description area below this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Come back to see me again. Bye bye.